Hey, what's up guys? Jace over here, and this is what you ought to know about Facebook and Facebook advertising. Facebook dominates the social media realm. They own Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. It's the evil empire taking over the world, or for some of us, it's the white knight that's gonna save the princess. It's your preference. I don't care. I just use Facebook to make money. You should too. But how should your business be using it? Like all online marketing, Facebook takes time, money, content, and expertise. It's not a quick fix. I'm your quick fix. Here's a couple things that will help you. Facebook penalizes brands that try to drive users off of Facebook. So keep your users on Facebook. Your written copy and your images matter. They can make all the difference. Live video does work. You just have to be consistent. I kind of suck at this, but I vow to be better. Scout's honor. Maybe. Scout's honor. Personal brands dominate corporate brands on Facebook. So find a way to drive people to your business by using your personal brand. Kind of like what I'm doing here. Here's a simple hack. The more engagement you get, the longer your post is going to hang around in the newsfeed. So like your comments, respond to comments quickly, and then like those comments and like your comment. It may look a little egotistical, but who better to love yourself than you? I love myself. Go back to your old posts, comment on those old posts, and like those comments and see if you can get some instant engagement. And that's what you ought to know. Keep marketing. Peace.